From a tiny 1963 Honda T360 hauling cargo on narrow streets to a fully electric 2045 Honda concept flying down a smart highway, this is the complete Honda car evolution from 1963 to 2045 in 1 minute. In the 60s and 70s, Honda learns to build small, efficient legends. The S600, N360, the first Civic and Accord. In the 80s and 90s, things get wild. CRX, Prelude and the iconic NSX prove Honda can fight supercars, while Civic and CR-V become everyday heroes. The 2000s bring S2000, Accord, Fit and Pilot. Practical power for families, tuners and commuters. Then Honda goes electric and hybrid. Insight, CR-Z, the Honda E and modern Civic show a new side of performance. Finally, futuristic Prologue, EV and our 2030-2045 concepts. Imagine silent autonomous Hondas with insane range and design. Watch closely and tell us in the comments, which Honda era would you drive? Classic VTEC Scream or electric future?
Shake,